guys, how you doing again? So, I just wanted to do a quick review on this little fella right here. It's a Gurber Multi-Tool. Gurber is a really good company. They make really good knives and stuff. So first off, this is one of my favorite features of the multi-tool. It's got a pair of pliers, and also right there, it's got some wire cutters. So you can cut some wire with that. Fold that back up. So this is the primary blade. It's a really good blade made by Gurber. You can just see. You can see that. Pretty cool. Really good knife. And then you have, after that, After that, you have a flathead screwdriver. It's really good, it works really well. And then you have this kind of screwdriver. I forget what this one's called, but this one is really good. I use this actually, it's pretty good. Gurber makes a lot of good knives and stuff, so I'm not surprised at all that that's good. And then there's a saw, and you can cut limbs and anything like branches you need with this, like if you're going camping or something. And all this stuff goes up, so you can't put it back down. You can bring everything up like this, and look, none of the stuff will go back down unless, see, there's one right here, and then there's also one on the back. Put your 2 fingers on there, and then you can push everything down. I usually just do it on my knee. Oh, look, watch. You can push everything down. Pretty nice. And then you got this one, this jagged blade, you can see that. This blade is really good when you're cutting rope. So if you need to cut rope, you just take it, you put it over the blade, and then you just pull, and it'll cut it really well. I've also tested that. And then right here, this is what most people will get excited for. Bottle opener. Everybody knows how that works. There's also a flat one right here, so if you want to open a can, you can open a can with that. So then we have this. It's a tiny flathead screwdriver. That's pretty useful most of the time. And right here, this might not look like much. This is one of my favorite tools that the Gurber Multi-Tool has. So you do this, you separate this, you're gonna make sure that it stays on top, like that. Like this. You can put a fishing line on this, so you can go fishing with it. That's my favorite thing to do with that. And also you can put like a clip on here, so you can like put it on your belt instead of having to carry this case around with it. This is a really good case though. I'd rather just use the case. And then last but not least, we have one of my favorites also. I'm pretty sure, okay, so this I'm kind of confused about this one. These are scissors, but the thing that I'm confused about is they have a hole right there. It has a hole right there. I'm pretty sure that's used for fishing also. It's a better fishing, it goes farther. It goes out longer than the tiny one. But I would rather use the tiny one. So these are, oh, ow, jeez. Whoops, kind of stabbed myself. Okay, so these are, you guessed it, scissors. So these are really good scissors. Here, I got a piece of paper right here. Look. Bam. Yeah, also, I forgot to show you. I wanted to show you the knife. Just the regular knife on a piece of paper. It works pretty well. Or on a piece of cardboard. Cardboard is super satisfying with the knife, and the wire cutters are super satisfying also. But look, watch this. My recording might end in a little bit. Don't get triggered if it does, but just look. See that? See that? That's really nice. Okay, last thing. So you can just fold everything up in here, and then you can put it on in a case. People, oh yeah, and this, I really like this one a lot. This cost me only $25. It was on sale because it's got these gaps right here, so you can see everything that you want to access. And so you got a little carrying case with this one. It says Gurber on it. It comes with every Gurber Multi-Tool. And right here, this little strap right here, this can go on a belt if you're wearing pants or something. And then you can also wear it sideways using this. Personally, I would probably prefer to wear it sideways just because it feels a little bit better. And it gives you more accessibility at your waist. But yeah, that's all I gotta say about the Gurber Multi-Tool. I was Venom Dope, signing out. Goodbye.